na nababakabalan kung sa kayo po. My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanat, we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, kami po ay maswerte na naimbitahan dito po sa Grumpy Joe, Pampanga. This is the first ever Grumpy Joe in Pampanga. Yun guys, so we're gonna tour you of the place. Of course, we're gonna taste their food. We're gonna introduce them to you guys. If you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
And I'm Martina Gozon, and welcome to Grumpy Joe, Pampanga. So, first experience was 6 years ago. Nung nagpapass by kami, hindi namin makita.
Hope to see you
Tapos
there.
yun nga,
It was really small.
maliit lang siya. So, it was located in Leonard Wood Road.
Yes, in Baguio City. Kasi nakita nyo yung logo, medyo cartoonish siya, di ba? Ganun pa yung vibe niya. Parang fast food talaga.
Nung nakita namin, ang liit lang. So, medyo naging skeptical pa kami nung una actually. Yun nga, nung nag-dine na kami, nagulat kami kasi syempre yung price niya is nasa 290 something, ganon. So, akala namin mahal siya for ano. Pero nung dumating yung food, nagulat kami, madami yung serving
Ang
niya.
lalaki. Like, every time kumakain kami
May
sa
take.
Grumpy Joe, may take home kami. Doon din nakilala si Grumpy Joe, and yun yung laging parang sinasabi ng mga tao, pag Grumpy Joe, ay yung 5 cheese pizza. Yun talaga yung kilala sa Grumpy Joe. And yung spicy seafood pesto. Kasi yung spicy seafood, creamy, na spicy, loaded with toppings. Though, you think seafood, ay baka malansa. It's not. It's really not. Kung hindi ka lover ng spicy, pwede siyang mild or pwede siyang seafood pesto lang.
Pag nag-dine ka, super good dining experience kasi you get the quality food, the big serving, affordable price, and then yung dining mo, sobrang okay siya.
So, ayun nga guys, again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much, Grumpy Joe Pampanga, for inviting us. And look at our table, again, very generous. Dito daw guys, Pinoy price, pero American serving.
Actually, makita naman natin kung gaano karami nga yung mga serving nila. And based on their menu, napaka-affordable nga naman nila. So, sa kanilang Grumpy Joe fried chicken. So, meron tayo 4 pieces. Itong nakaserve sa atin is only 385 pesos.
So, for their pizza guys, if you notice, meron tayong dalawang flavor dito. You can actually request for that, no?
Yeah.
Parang half-half.
Meron tayo dito kanilang famous one, yung kanilang 5 cheese.
5 cheese pizza.
And yung kanilang spicy Mexican.
Spicy Mexican.
As low as 295 pesos. Makakain ka na dito
Yeah, I think so. 9 inches is good for 2 to 3 persons siguro. Depende sa appetite, no? So, but for 2 person na magda-dine dito, 295, good enough.
Good na
para
yan.
sa akin, yeah.
Actually, meron din sila yung mga combo. I think this is good sa mga kids natin.
I think so.
For the combo B, it's only 260 pesos.
Okay, so we still have pasta, lasagna. Dito ako naging
Yung kanilang,
interested.
yan yung kanilang pork baby back ribs.
Pork baby back ribs.
Yes.
For me, my appetite, solo serving lang to. Okay, pero how much is it, bro?
For their pork ribs naman, it's only 320 pesos.
320 pesos. And then, I think, lastly to introduce before natin tikman yung mga pagkain dito, this one, salad.
So ito kanilang April's Greek Salad. So for their drinks naman, syempre, hindi naman mawawala yung mga drinks natin. So meron tayo dito kanilang strawberry yogurt smoothie.
Strawberry
and yung
yogurt.
kanilang Grumpy Refresher.
So, quick toss. Ayan, and then, let's put it here. Wow. Ayan.
Ako naman, unahin ko yung kanilang lasagna. Kasi kanina, itong habang dinala to, napaka-cheesy niya.
Yeah. Actually, yung mga chicken nila, brother. I mean, look at the size of that chicken, you know.
Wow.
Good? You know what? I'm really happy na di na natin kailangang dumayo pa ng Baguio.
Yes.
Now, we don't need to travel. Nandito na sa Pampanga.
Actually, this is another alternative sa mga food adventurer.
And a must try sa mga nagde-date actually. Dahil considering sa ambience nito, napaka fine dine nung ano ng dating. You go here couple, bring 1,000 pesos, busugan na, may take out ka pa.
Yes.
Naman natin guys. Alright, so yun nga guys, customary sa Baguio na yung mga customer ang nagseset na kanilang mga take-out. Sa laki ng mga serving dito sa Grumpy Joe, napakadalang lang daw na wala kang take-out.
Hi everyone, we're inviting you to Grumpy Joe, Pampanga. We're located in MacArthur Highway, San Agustin, San Fernando, Pampanga, right in front of Waltermart.
We are on our soft opening.
Open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m.
See you guys here!
Alright, so ayun nga guys, congratulations! Grumpy Joe, Pampanga!
So this is another place for you to check out and dapat yung abangan.
There you have it guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Bye guys!